Hey everybody, how are you? And welcome to this week's vlog here on GregRBaird Speaks. And I have to tell you, I don't have much today. It's going to be a short post, but I wanted to do a post and say hello. It is a beautiful, incredible Sunday here in Chicago. About 74 degrees, sunny. So I'm going to go out and exercise. I'm doing a little yogurt and some fruit here. So I thought while I'm making my lunch, it's a typical lunch for me actually. I don't do a lot of sandwiches and stuff unless I'm on vacation or something special. But anyway, I'm doing a little yogurt here. I have to eat something, and it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So I've been busy this morning. I'm launching a new seasoning this coming week on Wednesday, which I think is July 12th, something like that. So not disclosing too much what that is, but it's out of a recommendation from a GregRBaird seasoning customer. So that's all I can tell you. But I had a really busy June speaking. I was so incredibly grateful for all the lectures I did for, I did mostly company and corporation lectures, but I had one lecture at Washington Governors University. Washington Governor, I think something like that. But anyway, other than one school and corporations, it was a huge month for me. It was the biggest I've ever had in my career, so I'm just really grateful. So I kind of added things up. I had 14 lectures, and I was on 2 panels speaking with people. It was all globally. Spoke to folks in Germany, India, the UK. I mean, I was all over the place. So, and it was all virtual, just a few feet away from me. I was on my computer virtually. So, added up the totals, probably around 9,000 people I reached out to with my program. A lot on allyship, diversity, equity, inclusion. And just a lot of topics and storytelling and stuff, which I always say I feel changes hearts and minds and policies and laws, which is more important than ever with these over 500 plus laws and bills are being passed against the LGBTQ+ community. So with that said, I got a couple months that I'm just kind of taking care of me, just doing a few things and getting new things ready on my website, for my lecture website, for my career. And that will launch again in August, end of August. I always kind of update things. And September will be big. I'm planning a big trip the end of September to Florida, to Key West, and with my friends from Out Loud, John and Brian, and a bunch of other folks that are going. It's going to be great, kind of a social influencer weekend gathering. And then I'm back in Palm Springs in November, and then October will be a big month speaking for me. Because it's National LGBTQ+ History Month, Coming Out Day, just a lot of recognized events that happened throughout our history that is happening. So that's what's shaking in my world. Everything is fine. Just trying to keep busy. I'm off to one of my favorite places next weekend, the Saugatuck Douglas area, and going to the Dunes Resort. They're having their event on Thursday, which is the Turnabout Show, and it's when the employees all dress in drag and they raise money. And I forgot what organization it's for, so maybe you can comment down below. I kind of forgot at the moment, but it's a great organization. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll be back there again the following weekend for Christmas in July, which is kind of my jam for the weekend. So it's very nice. And mixed in with all that, I'm canning jam. I just did strawberry a week ago with some wonderful berries from Michigan. And I will be doing I'm going to go pick blueberries while I'm in Michigan. So I'll be doing blueberry jam. And I'm hoping to do some sour cherry jam. I don't pick those. If I knew where to go, I would. But I'm going to be doing that. So I hope everybody is well. I would love to hear from you. Make sure you comment, you do the thumbs up, the like, and subscribe, of course. But comment down below. I'd like to hear what's going on in your life and what's going on. And I hope everybody is well and happy and enjoying the summer. And just trying to do your part in our world. And same here. make the world just a little bit better for all of us. It's frustrating at times. I know a lot of people watch the news, which is important, but don't get too sucked in with it and step away from it. And look up from your cell phones and look at people and enjoy life. That's what it's all about. So anyway, this is what I'm having today, by the way. It's all yummy. It's so good. So yeah, I've had my coffee. I had enough coffee for the day. But I'm going to enjoy my yogurt and my walnuts and my berries, and I'm going to go out for a walk and meet up with my friend Rob in about 2 hours or so. That's it. That's all for GregRBaird Speaks this week. But you know, I was just talking to some content creators. It's really hard every week to come up with something if there's no events or things planned, or I don't want to be repetitious on things. And you know, as I told John and Brian about loud, and there, you know, a bunch of us met and did a little pre-happy hour thing before our event in September. I decided it's like filming a mini movie every week, because I like to add music, which there will be with this, and you know, you do some credits or things like that and you edit it. So it does take time. I enjoy doing it. It's just when there's nothing really going on, I don't want you to be bored. So with that said, I'm going to have some lunch. It's about damn time. So I will see you all in the next week or so, and I hope you're great wherever you're at. And remember to be the voice of change in your life and the voice of change in other people's lives. And I will see you very soon. Much love and friendship from me. Be well.